Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix and replace the PC valve on Toyota 4Runner or pickup starting from 1991 till 2003 2004. All got the same engine, and recently I get the loose of oil and leaking. I just replaced all gaskets 1 year ago exactly, last April last year, and now I still got losing oil and leaking oil also. And I found out this is because of the PC valve. It's vacuum all the pressure from the engine to the intake, and since it's clogged now, I think it's time to replace it and change it. And the only way to replace it is very easy. It's just gonna take few minutes, and the PC valve cost about like $3 only. And to locate the PC valve, we need to see where is it exactly. It's gonna be on the valve cover. This is V6, as you see, it's V6 engine, and this the one valve cover for the oil, and the other one is right there. And I'm gonna zoom in so you can see where is it exactly. It's right there. This one. Yeah, it's way inside. You don't need to take off all the intake manifold to replace it. It's just easy way to use the needle nose pliers and take off the clamp, unclamp it. And this is, you see where is, it's like U-shaped hose. This goes direct to the PC valve, and I will show it to you how take it off. This one, the U-shaped hose, it goes to the PC valve. Right there inside. This one, I'm gonna point it with the light. You see, this is hose goes all the way down to the PC valve. Just unclamp it and pull it off, and then replace it with the new one. You see guys, when I pull off the hose, it came with the PC valve all the way, but I think my PCV valve still good. Still clean. It's one-way check valve inside to release the and pull off the pressure from the engine to the intake. And this is how to just buy the new one and stick it right there. And let me use my light. Yeah, that is the hole for the PCV valve, and you can't tell it's really easy to just pull it off and put the new one and put the hose back again. Okay, this one, and this will clean up everything, and you're not gonna lose oil or get oil leak from the pressure. Thank you so much for watching my video.